This stator assembly, comprising a plate and frame, is used in small aerospace servo valves for flight control actuation. The stator assembly is part of a flux-carrying device that delivers magnet and coil flux to an armature. Both parts are produced using two-cavity, three-plate injection molds. Strategic tool design, venting, and innovative binder systems allow complete material fill of the complex geometries. The plate is made from MIM 316L with a proprietary binder formulation to ensure even and complete sintering with minimal distortion. The part sinters to 99% relative density with minimal distortion and does not require hip processing. Minor machining is required on the bottom and top surfaces to maintain profile and hole positions. The two screw holes are reamed and threaded and have screw thread inserts added to provide strength in the final assembly. The parts are passivated for corrosion protection. The frame is made from a soft magnetic iron-nickel alloy to a density of 8.1 grams per cubic centimeter. The magnetic field is heavily dependent on the dimensions of the part as well as the magnetic properties of the base material. A proprietary sintering process followed by hip processing is used to guarantee material properties. Previously, the non-MIM assembly required excessive machining and grinding processes to meet the print requirements, adding time, inventory, and cost.